Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening NetBeans and creating a Java Swing application. Make sure your JDK is compatible. Once done, add a JFrame form and switch to Design View so you can drag components visually. Drag a Jtabbedpane from the palette onto the frame and position it using layout hints. This creates the container for tabs. You should name the component clearly in the inspector. Make sure to save the form and compile so the GUI builder updates component metadata. Now you focus on the middle work, structuring each tab and its content. You add or remove tabs via the inspector or by right-clicking the Jtabbedpane, edit the title, tooltip, and optionally an icon. For each tab, drop a JPanel or a custom form, then set its layout manager to suit your UI controls. Once panels are placed, wire them to your JFrame class, expose methods, or use event listeners. Make sure to test tab switching in the preview to verify layout behavior. Finish by wiring runtime behavior and ensuring smooth interaction. You access tabs in code via getComponent@index or manage selection with setSelectedIndex. Add a change listener to react when the user switches tabs. If a tab loads heavy content, make sure to initialize it lazily to keep startup snappy. Once done, call revalidate and repaint on modified panels to reflect dynamic changes. If something fails, check component names in the inspector and confirm the GUI.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.